So it didn't really happen like that, obviously. The van did break down, mind, but the van is now fixed. Not by me, because I don't know how to fix a van. But what I do know about is sticking bits of wood together. So we're going to make an improvement, because I think we can all agree, and you know it's true, that a tarp is just not acceptable for a bike storage area. So we're going to fix that. We're going to stick some wood together and make a bike shed-ish thing. Going to be a bit of a plan at some point. I haven't got one yet. But what I am going to do is head off to the timber yard to get some wood, so we're going to stick it together. Cheers. It's cold. And the big question is it going to fit? I have an idea about the answer to that question, and we're both going to find out together. Let's try and move this monster. There's no one more surprised than me. It fits.
And so it's time to deploy the death saw. It's not massively safe, I have to say. Yeah, bit dangerous, but practical. It is very practical. For the most part, it's practical. Sometimes, but you'll see.
A pain in the ass. Got some fettling to do. Google it. Fettling. It's not rude. Good enough. Good enough. I used to teach art. Done, right? Obviously I've finished the shed now. I'm really pleased with it because I've got loads of storage at the top for recycled materials. So I use a lot of found wood or wood off of Facebook, you know, people throwing away old furniture and things like that. So it's nice to have a place where I can keep all of that. And then obviously I've got the bike. Now I've got to fit another bike in here. I've got loads of space for all of the bike kit, you know, pumps and everything else that goes with it. So yeah, brilliant job, very happy. Just going to go for a ride now.